Hello everyone, welcome to TryRide, the new era of learning. This is Pack 365. Let us start with Module 2. In this Module 2, we are discussing about problem solving agents, basis search strategy. Okay, from this, we are introducing the concepts of what is problems, problem spaces, and search in AI. Now, let's start. Artificial intelligence initial goal is to build machines capable to carrying out tasks that usually calls for human intelligence. Among the core functions of AI is real life problem solving, understanding problems, problem spaces, and search in fundamental to comprehending with how AI system handle and resolve the challenging jobs in current situations. Right? So, in this context of AI, a problem is not just a something difficult. It is a specific task or goal that an AI system needs to achieve. Okay. So define a problem for the an AI. You typically need some specific, like we starts with. So for let's see that what are the challenges first is faces. Okay. It starts with for technical and non-technical. For technical behind, you take data and data quality and ability. And availability, algorithm selections, integrations from non-IT, ethical considerations, regularity compliance, user adoptions. Like it takes both non-IT and non-technical and non-technical, right? In the types of challenges the AI will faces. So let's start. What's a problem? Problem in AI, right? The problem in AI particularly task or challenges that calls for decision making or solution finding, right? Artificial intelligence. An issue is simply a task that need to be completed. Those tasks can be anything from straightforward math problem to intricate decision-making situations. Artificial intelligence encompass various jobs and challenges from basic math operations to sophisticated ones like picture recognition, natural language processing (NLP), gameplay, and optimization. Every problem has a goal state that must be attained a different set of initial states and a potential actions or moves. So, from the important components of the problems in AI, we start with initial state, the state of issues has it first arise. So, where you start from, this is the given situation, okay, or the starting point of the problem. And next is goal state, the ideology final state that denied problem solving strategy, right? We can say that where you want to end up, okay? So this is desired outcomes or solution. They might be one or more goal states. Next, it requires operators, like the collection of the maneuvers of actions that can be used to change a state. It uses to change the state during the actions, during the performance, like they allow to moves or operations that can changes the state. Those are the ways an AI can manipulate that environment or initial representation to move from one state to another. And restrictions, guidelines or limitations must be related to solve the problems. So those help to find the best solution to solve the problems. So problem spaces in AI, the set of all potential states, actions, and traditions that might arise when trying to solve a particular problem is known as the problem space. It depicts the whole range of flexible fixes and rotates from the starting point to the desired destination. An abstract representation of every conceivable state and all possible translations between them for a particular problem is called a problem space. Uh, a conceptual landscape in which all points signify various system states and all possible operations or activities are represented by the path connecting the points. So, the problem is that the problem space, also known as a state space, theoretically construct the represent of all possible states that of an AI system can be in, as well as the possible actions or transitions between those states for given the problems. Like think it is a map, like we can say states has edges we have like that. So it has a concept important components of problem space in AI. So it has states, state space, and path. We can say that. So in states, we said every scenario or configurations that could arise within the issue, right? So each point on the map represent a possible state of the problem and a possible configuration, like specific configuration and a position. So state space, the collection of all states that an operator sequence can apply to get from starting state. When it starts from the starting state, the states we start with collecting the configurations, okay, the positions of chessboard, of a location of a city map, like that. Examples we can take like that. And path are a set of states that connected to the starting state to the destination state to the operator. Like it's operators, it allow you to move from state to another state. Like one path to another path it travels. It used to solve the problem solving process of AI often involves the navigation. Okay, so we can say that problem space from an initial state to goal state. So we can see that if we take the state space, it has a set of states, starting state, set of actions and non-actions functions, set of goal states, a path we call as a path cost function, right? It has some more of space where it want to can it can be start with the space, start from the first state. So now search in AI. The practice of searching of set of and steps of or movements that will be get you desired outcomes or a workable solutions is known as a search. Okay, within artificial intelligence, such algorithm are employed to methodologically traverse that problems domain and identify the routes or resolution that fulfill the problem's limitations and goals. Such algorithms are used in AI to efficiently explore issues domains. So it's nothing but search in AI refers to the process by which an AI system systematically explores the problem space to find the sequence of actions that lead from the initial state to the goal state. Since the problem space can be huge, AI needs intelligence way to explore them, especially right. Such algorithm can the core tool used to exploration of the exploration of the determination like of such in AI. So, which state is to explore next, how to avoid getting stuck in loops, how to find the optimal, like best solution if there are multiple paths of a goal, like we search that by using some set of algorithms. So, the type of search algorithms in it, you are uniformed search and informed search, right? Unformed search and informed search. Sorry, it is uninformed search and informed search. In uninformed search, we can see here it has a depth first algorithm, breadth first search algorithm, um, uninformed cost search. In informed search, we have greedy search, A search, and graph search. So from the instructions, so in that we concept we can learn from that what is we know that what is we didn't know about the what informed search. So let I used to tell that it is a called blind search, ununiform search. In the it is a blind search we call it. Those algorithms does not use any information about the goal when searching. They explore the problem space without any sense of the directions toward to the goal. Okay. Example includes in the BFS like breadth first search or DFS depth first search. Okay. So in that informed search is nothing but it is a we call those algorithms use heuristic all information like a rule of thumb or an educated guess to guide their search towards the goal. To mistake them, one efficient example, including a search and greedy bed search. So the problems which can we say? So all about the conclusion, the sum of up to the foundation of AI problem solving the comparison of the ideas of problems, problem space, and such in AI issue solving efficiently, right? Such algorithm are crucially for efficiently navigating vast and integrate problem space and locating the idea or nearly idea answers. Those often an organized method for defining investigation and the resolving the complicated task, which makes it possible to create intelligent system when with efficiency and efficiency, so comparable to the humans. The development of an AI technology still depends on heavily on the or our continued understanding and advancement to after those ideas, right? So it enhance AI solve problems by understanding what the problem is, mapping out the all possible ways to approach it. Okay. the problem space and then systematically search through that map is to find the best path of the solution. So this is the concept of what is AI search and space search and search in AI, the problems of AI. So we used to conclude that I hope you guys all understand about this concept. Um, and thank you all of you.